For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill. I have to say, it's been a game changer in my kitchen. If you're someone who loves cooking at home but doesn't always want to deal with the mess of traditional grills and griddles, this product is worth considering. Let me break it down for you, based on my own experience. 3 ways to cook. This is one of the things I love most about this electric grill and griddle combo. You've got 2 reversible cooking plates. One side is smooth, perfect for griddling things like pancakes, eggs, or sandwiches. The other side is ridged, so it's ideal for grilling steaks, chicken, or vegetables. The flexibility of being able to switch between a full indoor grill, a full griddle, or even using half of each side at once is so convenient. I remember the first time I used it, I was able to cook breakfast, eggs and sausage, on one side, while grilling some veggies and chicken on the other. It saved me so much time. Great for cooking every meal. From breakfast to dinner, this product really shines. I've made everything from scrambled eggs and bacon in the morning to quesadillas for lunch and steak with asparagus for dinner. I found that with the adjustable temperature control, I can easily change the settings to get the best results for each meal. The versatility is one of the main reasons I keep reaching for this appliance. For instance, I love using it to make grilled cheese sandwiches, just the right amount of crispiness without the mess. It's also perfect for grilling burgers on a lazy Sunday. 2 cooking zones. This feature is a total win in my book. With the 1400 watt power and 2 separate cooking zones, each with independent heat controls, you can cook 2 different things at once, without worrying about one side overcooking while the other side stays cold. Each side can go up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough for everything I've cooked so far. I found this especially handy when I'm cooking for a group. Just last week, I used both sides to cook breakfast for my family. One side was griddling pancakes, while the other side was grilling sausages. It made everything come together perfectly. Easy cleanup. Another feature that stood out to me was how easy it is to clean. The double-sided cooking plates are dishwasher safe, which is a huge bonus. I've used this a lot, and after every cook, I just pop them in the dishwasher. The drip tray, which catches any excess fat or oils, also goes into the dishwasher. It's one of those products that not only makes cooking easier, but also makes cleanup a breeze. It's definitely one of those kitchen gadgets that's become a staple in my home. I've used it regularly for months now, and it's been incredibly reliable. Whether you're a beginner or someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this product brings great value and convenience. It's versatile, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who enjoys a stress-free cooking experience.